Hello everybody and welcome back to Teach Me Money Methods. In today's video, I'm going to show you this really cool, interesting way that you can make money online starting today. So this is pretty cool because I've never really seen this method before. And what you can do is you can actually sell software on the eBay platform. So eBay is still a really big selling platform on the internet. It's been around a long time. It's stood the test of time, and it still is a major competitor to Amazon and Walmart and other sites. And eBay has a specific niche. You can find stuff on eBay that you won't be able to find on Amazon. When you're searching for something very specific, like for example, if you're searching for a video game, like an old Nintendo video game or something like that, you're more likely going to find it on the eBay platform because it's an auction type site and because it's more of a, there's people selling products from their house. They may have an old Nintendo sitting around. I'm just using that as the example, but they may have their old Nintendo sitting around and they want to sell it. Well, a lot of people choose to use eBay. And so eBay's kind of like the giant Craigslist, if you will. You're going to just get connected with some of those products that you may not find on some of the other platforms like Amazon. So in this case, this is a really unique thing that you could get into, which is selling software on eBay. So what you can do is, I just went into the eBay platform over here real quick, and I just typed in drawing software. Okay, so if I type in drawing software, and you'll see that there's only, and I minimized it by CD. Just someone that's looking for some drawing software on eBay, you only have 219 people to compete with. I mean, look at the difference between that. And I'm just curious to know what the competition on Amazon would be, hundreds or thousands on Amazon, but on eBay, you're not competing with hardly anybody. And just to show you, so like this one has 15 product ratings. It's professional vector illustration software, a professional illustration vector graphics image. It doesn't say that it's a brand. It's not Adobe. It's not an Adobe product. This is not a name brand software. This is just a software that someone created. And guess what? They've sold 354 of these, and they have 15 ratings and about a 4.5 star rating. I mean, this is crazy because this is not like a software that is popular, right? Someone created this software, themselves in their garage, and now they're selling it on eBay, which is really cool. So you just keep scrolling down here, and you just start looking at these different listings. So here's one. It's a drawing type software, and they sold 155. You keep on scrolling a little bit. And so I want to show you like this one, for example, Pencil 2D, the 2D animation and drawing software for Windows and Mac. And you get a CD with it, and they're selling for $10, and they've sold 61 of those, right? So they've made, what, $610 with this software, selling it at that price. So let's look at another one. So if we typed in animation software, a little bit steeper, but actually if you clicked on CD, someone wants to buy a CD, then you're only competing with about 900 results. So we look at here, Blender is a known software. People are selling their Blender CD. But some of this stuff never really heard of, and you can see they've sold 47 of these. I like to look at the softwares that I've never heard of before, because that's what my method today is, how you can make money doing this, right? So you just keep scrolling down. Some of these, this Anime Studio, that is, a big software, Adobe, things like that. But some of these softwares that you never heard of before, that's what we're focusing on, and they're making sales, okay? And then I also look for this other one, PC Paint Shop software, and I'm not, there's Paint Shop Pro 7, but seeing if I can find the one that I'm fixing to show you, and I'm not, and I'm seeing one right here. So notice this one right here, okay? They've sold 66 of these PC Paint Shop software, right here, 66 of those, and then this Pencil 2D animation sold 61 of these as well, right? So what I want to show you is how you can do this and get into this, but you need some software to sell, right? You need some software to be able to put on eBay to sell. And so this is where I found this product today. And it's Software Profits Revealed. Discover how I found the secret to generating hundreds of dollars a month on eBay, selling on eBay. So I looked around, and I even went to my PLR, my private label rights sites, and that I'm a member to, and I wasn't finding any software that would be worth trying to sell. You know, there's some really good products on my membership sites, but they're mostly, e-course type learning programs, and they're not really good softwares that I would really want to put my name behind and actually sell on the eBay platform. But if you look at this product, this guy has these products right here that if you get this product, you will have, it's an auction profits pack number 2. You get access to all 5 of these softwares, right? So remember this PC Paint Shop software right here. We come over here to back to eBay, and we come back over here to eBay and we look at PC Paint Shop. They've sold 67 of these. Okay. Well, that you're going to get access to that, right? And there's nobody else selling this. There's only one seller that I can find on eBay selling the software. So you get access to that. But then there's also like this one, 2D Pencil. It's a drawing and animation software. And we come over here, and I'm only finding one other seller on eBay, and they're selling this exact software and they're making sales. So you get access to that, and you get access to all 5 softwares. They're all in the the digital 3D modeling, drawing, animation niche. And so people really do like these because they want to buy these for like $10. They don't want to spend hundreds of dollars on all the other big software names out there. They want something that can get the job done and that is affordable. So you get access to 5 softwares that are hot and selling right now. And this is just kind of some proof of earnings for the guy that created this, and what you get in this graphics pack or the software pack and different things. And then he has a bonus in here and everything as well. So I just thought this was pretty cool. I've never really seen a video like this on YouTube. Teaching how to make money from software and then selling the software on eBay. So just thought I'd share that with you, that this could be something worth checking out. If you do want to check this out and pick this software up, then what I've put together is a quick bonus collection for you. If you decide to pick up Auction Profit Pack number 2 through my link below, then you will get these exclusive bonuses from Teach Me Money Methods that I put together today that will be very closely related to selling on eBay, and these will really help you. So bonus number 1, I'd be giving you the Insanely Profitable eBay Income Audio Pack. So this comes with 4 audios that are about 30 minutes each. And it goes over techniques and different things that you can sell on eBay. And it's just a really good audio book that you can have access to. So if you make the purchase, you'll get access to this unique bonus page. Then what you will do is you'll just scroll down here and you'll just click on this link right here, and you'll be able to download the audio pack. Bonus number 2 that I have put together for you is an Accelerated Online Business Video Series Pack. And what this includes is 25 videos that are how to make money online videos. It's a good, good teachings, good lessons. It covers all kinds of different stuff on how to get going online to make money online. So it's a really cool, valuable pack of videos. Again, 25 videos. You're going to get that for free if you pick this up via my link today. And then the last but not least, the third bonus in this bonus pack, is obviously going to be my favorite, because I'm giving away my Fiverr Success course. So you'll get access to Fiverr Success, which is a unique course that I made myself. Some of you have purchased this. But if you do want to get this pack and you already have purchased Fiverr Success from me, then just go ahead and shoot me an email and we'll figure something out. I'll give you access to another course that I have. You will get access to Fiverr Success, and it's how I make 30 plus per hour, $30 or more per hour, using just a microphone and reading text. It's really awesome. So you'll get access to this. This is 12 or 13 video long course, very unique. You won't find anything else like this on the internet. And it's showing you the back end of my Fiverr account and how I make money on a daily basis. You guys have seen my Fiverr videos. You know that I make money on Fiverr on a daily basis. So I just wanted to offer that as a pack as well. If you decide to pick up this product here today with my link in the description, then you will get access to all of these bonuses, and that's where you would download or get access to the Fiverr Success. So that'll end the video today. Just wanted to share this with you. I want to share good products with you and good techniques if you have other softwares you can sell, then you don't need this product here. But if you don't have access to some softwares to start selling, then this is a great way to get yourself 5 really good softwares to start selling. So go ahead and pick up that pack and you'll get access to all 3 of my unique bonuses right here. So hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please hit that like button. And if you like what you've seen today, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications so you don't miss out on any of my further videos. Until next time, take care.